I don't feel safe at home. There's just lots of shouting.
We rent and keep having to move house, which makes it difficult to keep friends.
Sometimes at night, groups of people hang out, so I don't go out.
We moved here as refugees, and not everyone in the community likes us.
Cardiff Council and partners want all young people in Cardiff to feel safe and be safe. So we're working with teenagers across the city to put this plan into action. It has 6 goals. This is goal 5. Young people will have a stable home and support from a community. We want services to work together so Cardiff is a city where young people can say,
My family have help and support, so things are getting better.
We live somewhere now that we can afford, and it's ours for the future.
There are lots of services working together, including the police, to make our community safe at night.
I feel safe and like I belong here.